This is a new class. It's called Exploring Arts Through Culture. Today we did a culminating activity about the famous story of the Battle of Troy, and so we made shields and swords. Hopefully that whenever they think as far as with mythology or anything with the classic Greeks, they will remember maybe this day when they went outside and the principal and their teacher dressed up and got defeated.
When we do enrollment each spring and we find out what our students are interested in taking, one of the things we've learned is we have a lot of students who are interested in the arts, and we have a lot of fine arts courses, but we didn't have a course that allowed students to learn about arts, architecture, ancient culture, and so we wanted to create an outlet for that. So the class is all built around the opportunity for students to learn by doing. For example, this project today, learning about the Trojan War by actually creating materials and acting it out.
That we're going to be doing a lot of different projects, a tile project, art, and even a video with the history of music. A big project we're going to be doing is looking at Roman and Greek tiles, mosaics, and so I've collected a bunch of tile over the summer that we're going to be making some actual tile mosaics.
Our electives are all geared toward helping our students find out what they're really interested in and passionate about. So this is an opportunity to learn, hey, is this a potential future path for me? So with any class, my favorite thing to do is just go and be a part of the class and see what students are engaged in when they're learning. I think it communicates to them that everyone in the building, myself included, is interested in what they're learning about, that we want to be a part of that, not just on the sideline.